Alright guys, so we're heading to the Cauldron experience and Harry Potter interactive drinking experience, but we have a reservation, so let's go. Alright guys, so we literally just got to the Cauldron. We kind of ran here because there's two entrances right now. Yeah, but typically you would come in through Stone Street, so I don't want to mislead you guys either. We went in through the backside, which is where our GPS took us, and our reservation was 3 minutes out. And we had to run around to Stone Street and then make it in. So now we're just waiting. We're gonna get our introduction, and then typically how this works. If you're familiar with the Cauldron, you know. If not, it's kind of a Harry Potter themed bar event. We get wardrobes, we get rubs, we get wands, and we make drinks with our wands. Yay! So guys, we just got to the Cauldron. We sat down at our potion station. We were literally given a wand. We will show you that in a little bit. But basically we were given a sheet and we get to choose 2 potions out of the 3 to make together, and then we get a welcome cocktail per se. So we're gonna choose what we want. We're gonna see how that goes. But we're rocking these robes. Kira, what am I gonna do with her? So this is our wine. Let's see how it looks like. For the blood-boiling curse, that is the problem. For the time transmission, I mean, so off the bat, I can tell you, I don't know which way I'm supposed to go. This kind of looks like a seashell, if you ask me. I mean, I'm from Florida, so that this might be my guess, but if I had to say, I literally don't know at all. I'd hold it that way. Let's get lit.
Attention please, each side of the bench is going to make 2 potions this evening. In front of you is your curriculum. So, on the curriculum you will see that we have a botany brew. I recommend this highly for kitchen witches. It is a herbaceous and rather aromatic sort of brew. It is mixed with gin. The second is the blood boiling curse, which is also a gin-based cocktail. It happens to be a little bit sour, so if you get it and then you tell me that it's sour after you drink it, I told you so, right? So, the third beverage is the time transfixed. That is a warm beverage similar to a hot toddy. So, as I mentioned, each side of the bench is going to choose 2 of these potions to make together. The second most important lesson is how to summon. And we are going to practice that here by summoning a beverage. All it takes to summon is to have a little bit of confidence and a lot of thirsty thoughts, alright?
Alright guys, that is enchanted with my special brew. Alright. Try it. Bon appetit. Wingardium Leviosa.
Put your wand in the air to summon me and I will appear as if by magic.
Where's your closest potion? Alright guys, so we just made it back to our seats and we're following our potions guide to make our potions. So let's see how I can do it. The first bit of the potion calls for us finally grinding herbs for Herschel's potion. Special potion.
Is that a wand in my pocket?
That smells so good. And next, I believe, sprinkle ground botanicals into cauldron, stirring 5 times clockwise with the ladle. The cauldron contains Earl Grey tea.
While the other one stirs, right?
So I basically have muddled the group.
Yes, my dear. Moments.
Sprinkle. Sprinkling into it. What happens when Kira's behind the camera?
This way.
So then next, we're gonna add 1 vial of gin. I'm going to, what's gin? So we're adding in the gin now.
We have to like trade this for someone.
Yeah. Alright, so now we are going to sprinkle all of the Colossian crystals into the cauldron. Get some idea?
Can we offer a try?
So I'm going to assume the crystals are these because what else would it be? So we're going to sprinkle these into our potion. Glass, my dear. Thank you. So now it says to stir with the ladle until all of the crystals have been completely dissolved. We're stirring in the cauldron. Of course. Okay, so I think we're all good. I really smell that Earl Grey. It smells really good actually. So good. Okay, so then it says, summon your potions master by holding the wand up and kindly requesting some fairy dust. So, Kira, do you want to do the honors? I'll do the honors.
You do the honors.
I know. There we go. That is the confident summons.
Can we please have some fairy dust?
You certainly may.
Thank you.
I recommend adding and stirring at the same time.
Thank you. So we have our fairy dust. We're adding and stirring. Not with it.
They were good, huh?
I'm not afraid of that.
Oh, it's still
If I was, this would be the wrong job.
It looks like we're getting somewhere. So, carefully add the fairy dust to the cauldron, stir. We just did that. Be careful to not scrape the bottom of the cauldron with the ladle. It may cause.
I'm like scared.
Okay, so do I like dropper vial of Negro and add 6 full pipets per student to the cauldron. Add 1 bottle of bloodwort nectar per student.
It's like so mad. So mad.
So we might need to pause. I don't know where to go that for sure. Oh, take the dropper vial. Okay, just kidding. We're good. We're good. Welcome back. So the dropper vial, we're taking this and we're adding 6 full pipets per student to the cauldron, and then we're gonna add 1 bottle of bladder nectar per student. So we know what we're doing. So I'm adding 6 of these.
I'm like scared. It's gonna like splash.
That was a little confusing. I'm sorry.
You know,
What is this?
you must have ended up with like ice on your hand.
So then after that, we're adding 1 bottle of bladderwort nectar per student. So it's gonna be this. So here's yours.
Magical evening.
I hope that I get this.
You know what? Wake
It
up
smells like schnapps, like 100%.
ice for you as well.
We're gonna add it to our magic.
Please hand me your jar.
Tasty.
There it appears. So now let's see what's next. So then we summoned. Okay, so we're gonna add 1 liquid potion to each jar, and then it says holding the jar over the cauldron while pouring reduces dangerous spillage and unwinding. I know they all do that. Remain careful to not scrape the bottom of the cauldron with your ladle. Okay. When I found out, I was like, are you kidding me? Turn your face.
Successfully made our first over here.
She breaking the rules.
considering 1 year is like $60.
Rules were meant to be broken. That's why they were given.
The first potion. Two are from Michigan. One is from.
Ooh, that's really good. It's like a spice green tea. It has a very strong Earl Grey taste, but it kind of has like a peach schnapps aftertaste.
It's like a peach tea. A hot peach tea, but cold.
Yes. So if you're familiar with like a green tea shot, add some peach to it. This to drink.
Hey guys, just wanted to provide some feedback on our Cauldron experience. As you can see, we enjoyed ourselves. However, this part of the clip isn't as smooth as the first part. So basically, we're working on our second potion here, and things just got a lot more confusing. None of the equipment or the ingredients are labeled, so sometimes we miss some ingredients. We had to call for assistance to kind of put this contraption together. As you can see, this potion's a little bit more complex than the first one. However, we did have a good time. Would we do it again? Probably not. This experience was about $50 per person. We did have to reserve our spot online prior to going. We also shared our table with another party of 2. They do market it as a solo experience. However, that wasn't the case for this trip. Overall, again, good time. The drinks were actually very tasty. It was a cool experience. I think it's something you should try at least once. This reservation was an hour and 45 minutes long. They pretty much stick to that time. We were in and out of there just at the perfect time of that. And it includes 3 drinks. So basically, we had that welcome cocktail, which is what you saw me use the wand for to pour the beer. They have another beer and another welcome cocktail, and then the 2 potions that you make. However, after the potions class, they drop off another menu so that if you do want to have some more cool cocktails, you have the option to do so. Keep in mind that after we had already paid for a reservation, we got another bill, and this wasn't for the additional drink that we had purchased. This was a gratuity check. So yes, of course, make sure you tip your helpers out, but yeah, they literally just drop a check for you guys there, just so you know. But overall, guys, we had a good time. Definitely think you should check it out, especially if you're into the whole magical experience like we are. But thanks so much for stopping by. Always pleased to see you seeing me. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you're always alerted when we go ahead and post new videos like this. And subscribe if you like. It's super appreciated. And like this video if the Cauldron is something you would like to do, either in New York, which is where we were, or in London. So till next time, guys. Bye.